Did you know that there's new European drone regulations about to come into force? These regulations will largely replace the national regulations that you're currently used to and operating under. And over the next series of videos, we want to do a bit of a deep dive into the contents of these new European regulations and how they might affect you as an operator. But today in this introductory video, we really just wanted to provide a little bit of the background to these new European drone regulations. When are they coming into force? Who's actually bringing them out? And why are they actually needed? If this sounds like it might be of interest to you, please do stand by. Hi guys, and welcome back. It's Mark here from Safe Drone Academy, and welcome to the first in a series of videos we here at Safe Drone Academy have on the forthcoming European drone regulations. So whether you're brand new to the industry, as we said, or a seasoned drone operator, there's a lot of new information, a lot of new concepts for you to come to terms with these new drone regulations. And we hope through the next series of videos to start creating awareness about the contents of the European drone rules and how they might affect you. So without further ado, in this first video, we really just wanted to kind of introduce the whole idea of the European drone regulations and look at the when they're coming into force, who's actually bringing them, and the why they're actually coming. So without further ado, when are they coming into force? Well, they come into force on the 1st of July 2020. So as it stands today, March 2020, a few short months from now. Who's actually bringing them? Well, that agency is a European agency. It's referred to as EASA, the European Aviation Safety Agency. And EASA was given the mandate to create drone regulations across the entirety of the EU in 2018. And it's taken this mandate and it's actually brought two regulations to the industry in the summer of 2019. The first regulation it brought is referred to as the Delegated Regulation, EU Order 2019-945. And this really is a regulation for manufacturers and retailers of drones and the technical specifications that drones placed on the European market must meet. The more interesting, probably from our point of view and you as an operator or maybe as a pilot, is the implementing regulation, officially referred to as EU Order 2019-947, because this is the real rules and the do's and the don'ts of the European drone industry going forward. Now, why did EASA bring these new rules to the European drone industry? Well, basically as it stands today, different member states have their own national authorities with their own rules and regulations. So we here in Ireland, we have the Irish Aviation Authority with its own set of rules. And in the UK, you have the Civil Aviation Authority with its own set of rules. And it's the same throughout all the various member states in the EU. These rules don't naturally marry up, and one permission or license or permit or authorization issued in one member state is not necessarily valid in the next. So this doesn't really create a very joined up European drone industry. So one of the main reasons EASA has brought its regulations is to basically level the playing field, create common rules and regulations across the entirety of the EU so it's easier to conduct EU-wide drone operations. The next main reason that EASA brought these rules and regulations is that it wanted to create advanced rules and regulations because the European drone industry needs those. It's felt that the full potential of the drone industry will never be realized until it's capable of doing advanced drone operations. So through these regulations, we hope to be able to do these advanced drone operations such as beyond visual line of sight operations, autonomous drone operations, drone delivery operations and the likes, even passenger carrying drone operations. So EASA has brought very advanced, very detailed drone regulations through these new regulations, and these regulations will form the bedrock that will allow these advanced drone operations. So that's the main reason. And by creating common rules and advanced rules, it is hoped to basically create a lot of confidence in the European drone industry. That'll bring investment in the industry and should create lots of jobs and create a very buoyant and expansive drone industry, which will be good for all of us that have a vested interest in a thriving European drone industry. So that's it, guys. That's just a very brief introduction to the European drone regulations. As I said, over the next series of videos, we're going to do a bit of a deeper dive into the different sections of the regulations that we think you'll be most interested in, because they'll have the biggest impact on you. So if you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section below, or contact us here at safedrone.ie. If you want us to bring a particular video to the industry, let's hear what you have to say, and we'll see what we can do as we all try to come to terms with the new regulations as they come around. But for the moment, that's it from now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do stay tuned for a lot more to come. Thank you very much.